What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are talking about the best digital coin microscope that can help you see tiny details with amazing clarity. Whether you love collecting coins or working on small electronics, this device brings precision right to your desk. Let's get started. This is the Elecliv EDM9 digital coin microscope. It is designed to give you a sharp and detailed close-up view of small objects. At the heart of this microscope is a powerful 12-megapixel camera sensor paired with a 1080p high-resolution display. This combination allows you to see fine lines, textures, and small markings clearly. When you look at a coin or a tiny component, the details really stand out. One of the most impressive features of the Elecliv EDM9 digital coin microscope is its wide magnification range. It supports zoom levels from 10 times up to 1,200 times. This flexibility means you can start with a general overview and then zoom in deeply to inspect the smallest features. The zoom is smooth and easy to adjust, giving you full control over what you want to focus on. Lighting is also very important when working at high magnification. The Elecliv EDM9 digital coin microscope comes with 8 adjustable LED lights around the lens. In addition, it includes 2 flexible side lights. These lights help reduce shadows and improve brightness so you can clearly see every detail, even in low light conditions. You can adjust the brightness to match your needs, which makes viewing more comfortable. This microscope is not only for observing, it also allows you to capture photos and record videos. You can take pictures at 12 megapixels, 10 megapixels, or 8 megapixels. For video, it supports 1080 FHD, 1080p, and 720p recording. This makes it easy to document your findings, save images, or share your work with others. Another useful feature is computer connectivity. The Elecliv EDM9 digital coin microscope can connect to both Windows and Mac computers. You do not need extra software. Just use built-in apps like Windows Camera or Photo Booth on Mac. This gives you a larger screen view and makes detailed inspection even easier. Build quality is strong and reliable. The microscope has a solid aluminum alloy base and stand. This provides stability during use, especially when working on delicate tasks. The stand height can be adjusted easily, and the focus knob rotates smoothly for precise focusing. Setup is simple and quick, so you can start exploring right away. Clear visuals, strong build, and easy operation all in one device. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more smart and useful product videos. See you in the next one.